Now we're going to start piecing bag A1. I've taken everything out of bag A1. The first thing you're going to do is divide your papers into 2 stacks of 12. We're going to be working in 2 groups, Group 1 and Group 2. In Group 1, the first stack, you're going to number these 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, and so on. So you're numbering Group 1 in papers 1 through 12. And this would be Group 2, papers 1 through 12. Same thing. This would be 2-1, 2-2, 2-3. So number those papers and set them off to the side. Next, we're going to look at our 2 groups of background fabrics, and we're going to combine these 2 groups of the background fabrics with the accent fabrics. So we'll have 2 stacks of fabric to do our piecing for our 2 stacks of papers. This is Group 1 and this is Group 2. Section 1 on both of these stacks does not have a sew side. The other ones have sew sides. It's printed sew side here. We want these sew sides to all be facing away from us. So as we go through this process, make sure that the sew side is facing away. And section 1 does not have sew side. So let's start this process. I'm going to move these out of the way so you can see what we're doing here. I have my 2 stickies out of camera range. This is Group 1 and this is Group 2, just to keep them separate. So we take section 1 and flip it over, and then we're going to get section 2 of the accent, and we're going to put 2 here and 2 here. And remember, these sew sides are facing away. The next, let me move this closer, section 3, and then section 4, we have 2 stacks for each one. Section 4, section 5 and 5, and 2 stacks of 6 and 2 stacks of 6. Now I'm going to just lay these down like this because they're going to topple over, but they're still in order. And here is 16, 16, and 2 16s over here, 2 17s, and the final 2 17s. So here are our stacks. They've toppled over, but that's all right. And then we're just going to take these so we're going to take off the top. We're going to piece from the top, so we're going to move these over so section 1 is at the top, and we'll move it out of the way so we'll have room to piece. And then move this, and then push it over, and then push it out of the way. Now I'll take my little sticky. Group 1 is over here, and Group 2 is over here. Now you'll have your 12 papers for Group 1 and then your 12 papers for Group 2, and then we'll be ready to piece.